Smile. Smile bila.
Tapos, hindi pa.
Hindi ko pa gusto. I can't get what I want. Tingin ko kaya natin ito saan. Kaya patayin natin. Okay. Sideways ka. As completely sideways. Okay, good. That's correct. Okay, maganda na. Smile if you like. Chin up a little bit. Okay, dali. Don't move. Kung nakaganyan, naka-rest na yun. Basta na maganda yan. Relax ka lang. Parang nakagano ka lang na ano.
Dapat di na ganyan kasi.
Other side. Other hand on the other side. No. Yan. Yan. Ganda yan. Medyo parang gulat na yung mata mo.
Gulat talaga.
That's nice. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay, try that. Point your nose over here. Okay, but eyes here. Chin down. Okay, that's nice. A little bit more. Konti lang. Chin down a little bit. Okay. Okay, tapa. Smile if you like. There you go. Tapa. Don't move. Ganyan na. Ganda. Yan maganda. Ganda. Let's do pwede natin balik na lang natin dito ulit pero yung ganitong setup sa ano kasawa yung black
Pero po kasi yung orange.
ha?
Orange po.
Kasi relax mawala yung ating zone here sige ito na tayo
Si Jim hindi makikita eh.
hindi makikita forward konti po yan there yan ganda full body shot. Okay, don't tilt your head. Change position. Okay. Oh. Pero find your face in the light. Dapat yung, ayan. Yeah, okay, that's good. Maria, check lang. You want to see the makeup?
Ano lang naman ang put ko dito.
Sige, sapan pa. Sige. Okay, that's very pretty. Good. Don't move. I'll darken it a little bit. Masyadong bright yung light. Okay. Don't move all of a sudden. Ganun yung left nostril. Point your nose here. That's better. Konti pa. Okay, that's better. That's nice. Just like that. Don't move. Ganda. Okay. Chin up a little bit. Sobra yung chin up mo. Baba ng konti. Konti pa. Okay. Very good. Okay. Another position. Ganda nun ah. Parang ganun, no? Yan, okay. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Ganda yun, hinahawak mo yung hair mo. Okay, baba mo na yung ano. Okay, that's nice. Okay, don't move. Mismo. Take a half step forward. Just a half step. Okay. Oh, ganda. Don't move. Point your nose here. Chin up a little bit. Ganda. Meron na akong maganda yung picture mo. Ganda, no? Kaya gandahan ka ba? Hindi mo gusto? Talaga? Bakit? Ganda mo dyan, no? Oh?
Hen! O yan.
Oh? Pag malaki yan, maganda. Hirap mo pala kunan.
Ang ginago.
Okay. Yan. Puro facial shot lang ito eh. Oh, sige. Yan. Okay. Masyado malaki yung mata mo. Yan ka na naman. Parang kumakanta ka ng ano. Parang kumakanta ka ng Alanis Morissette mo. So relax your face.